Hell yeah, dude. Man's out here with a power washer, washing the side of the buildings. Just decided, hey, I'm just gonna make this Porsche nice and dirty. Exactly what I wanted. That's gotta be the worst car wash I've seen of all time. But hey, thanks guys. Appreciate it. How about these a day after we straight piped the Cayenne? It makes amazing noises because it is a Cayenne turbo. It's a twin turbo V8. It's a big boy. It makes nice, beautiful rumbles. But listen, man, what's funny about it this time, usually I'm the one that loves to have loud cars. I was the one that wanted to straight pipe the SRT. I was the one that straight piped the JZ. I'm the one that straight piped the Evo. But for some reason, this one is different. It's a nice car and I want it to be a little more toned down. So,
I've got a true dual exhaust in this, so I got 2 of these bad boys going in today.
it sounds incredible, but I think the problem is it just needs to be quieter. I'm sorry, neighbors, you've waited long enough for this. This one's for the neighbors, not for the boys, for the neighbors. Make sure I got 2 of the same thing. Oh yeah, we straight. Victoria saying what none of us can say with words.
I'm like, what are you talking
I love
about?
that shirt. It's so good. I feel like that's how we all feel. Oh man, it sounds so good. Oh, I got an idea. It does do something. This is the difference between mine and Victoria's seat positions.
I'm so short.
Hey, there you go. Just keep reclining. Keep going down. Keep reclining. Yeah. Get that little butt things going out too. Nice. Oh, and hey, man. Again, shouts for the free car wash. You didn't do a very good job, but you know you tried. Appreciate you, homie. Do I look fat in this shot? Do I look fat? Because I don't want to look fat. Oh my god. I was. Hi. We're back. Not sure if you guys remember last time, but we don't, no cherry bombs this time. These are actually gonna do something. These are nice, dude. Check these out. These are so nice. Are there any guy names that start with a P?
P?
Yeah, like what's, like I feel like every... Paul? Paul? I'm motherfucking Porsche Paul, brother. Out here spending money and driving Porsches all dang damn day.
So awkward looking.
What you mean? You mean I'm awkward looking? Back at it, baby. Oh, by the way, we got a trailer hitch. It doesn't have any wiring, so the hitch itself works, but we're one step closer to trailering with it. Just don't have the wiring. You can't. No brake lights. No blinkers. No brake lights. But we don't need that. I think we might want to try. He might have to change the way the piping is. We might be able to put him here. If not, maybe here. He'll have to do some cutting and welding, but he seems pretty capable. He's done all of our other exhausts.
Do them different spots, or they have to be the same spot?
I would prefer them being in the same spot. It would look cleaner. Time, boys. Wow. Pretty damn good. Man, I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like. I know every time I come here, I film almost the same thing, like welding and stuff, but for some reason, for me, one of my favorite things to go back and edit and just watch is slow-mo welding. So, I know it might be redundant, might be your first time you ever watched an exhaust video.
Little fireworks just going.
Yo, Victoria wants a house, right? But you can't drive a house, but you can sleep in a car. I want it. Hey, come on. So aesthetic. Good to go? Oh man, I'm so excited to hear what this is gonna be like. I think it'll be that nice, like, I want it to sound like it's a nice car. You know, it sounds like a cool car, but I don't think it sounds like a nice car right now. I'm thinking this will definitely do the trick for us. Tone it down and make it loud when we wanted to. Show people, you know, we know how to have a good time, but also, we also know how to make cars sound good.
Go for it. So much better. I'm
That's so
happy.
sick. Oh my god. Way better.
Oh
I just got splashed by exhaust butt water.
Love it.
Man, it sounds so good. Nick always does this good. Make sure you guys check out McKinney Speed. Oh. I'm ready to drive it. It sounds like a nice car now. Happy?
I feel like I can turn on the car at 7:30 in the morning and not
This
feel like stupid.
is true. Spirit mode. Porsche Paul's gonna get it. Way better. What you think, homegirl?
I like it a whole lot more. I feel a lot better about this one.
We're gonna give you some reps, some driving revs real quick, right quick. Sure you want me to drive?
Yep, I trust you.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Alright.
So good.
Hey guys, Porsche Paul here. Got you a new hat. Yesterday's a little too windy, so we want to go ahead and give you some new noises. Let's get it. Yeehaw.
Stop that.
I can't even see straight.
That's so weird.
It was about a storm yesterday, and it was windy if you couldn't tell. So we wanted to go ahead and get some more noises. It'll be a little more tolerable for the neighbors. So this one's for the neighbors.
You gonna do some revs for me?
Sure, let's do it.
I like it.
I do too.
I like it a whole
A lot
lot.
better. Sounds good. Makes freaking real good V8 noises, and I like that. Peace out. You don't like Porsche Tom?
No.
You know, Porsche Tom, Porsche Paul. You don't like Porsche Paul? Porsche Paul is sick, dude. He's freaking cool. I'm gonna do these outros again. I kind of miss doing these instead of music. This is way better.